What's up guys? Today I'm gonna teach you how to loop Ed Sheeran's Shape of You. I'll be using the BOSS RC30 for this video. This is the looper that I actually use for every night of my bar gigs. The whole song is actually revolved around this rhythm pattern that I'm gonna show you right now. It goes like this. That's all. So basically what I do usually is I loop the rhythm section first and then I layer. We start off with this rhythm section first. Usually I play maybe one measure or 4 bars before I actually start looping so that I can get a more accurate loop. We are about 96 BPM. After I record the rhythm section, I'm going to be actually recording the riff. We are in the key of E and the riff goes like this. Oh, by the way, I have reverb and echo inside my guitar. This is a Yamaha guitar. Simple. Let's add that to the loop. After you add the loop, this is the time to add a little bit of bassline. The bassline goes like this. Okay? Yeah, so let's add that to the loop right now. Now here comes a little bit tricky thing. You're gonna be layering the beat in it. I usually just tap this part here. You're gonna be tapping the beat at every first beat of each bar. So at this point, your singer is going to be starting to sing the song and then you can start layering other things on top of it. What I like to do is I like to fatten up the bass line. Usually I have a EQ on my guitar. I'm going to be fattening up the bass line by turning up the bass just a bit. You know, I'm going to irritate all the sound engineers. How I achieve a fatter bass line is by actually palm muting a bit on the strings. So instead of having your bass sounds like this, it's a bit, you know, twangy. So what I do is I fatten up by palm muting. Alright, let's add that to the loop. Now it's time to fatten up the bass drum. What I do, simple, still the same thing. I increase the bass and then I just tap the simple. But at this section, you have your bass drum at this kind of beat. That's the main beat for this. Alright, let's add that to the loop. From this point onwards, you basically have the whole song looped already. What I usually like to do is I like to layer harmony ideas. Also, I like to fatten up the chords when you hit the bridge area. I have a little chorus effect right here. So what I usually just do, I just play the chords. It's C sharp minor, F sharp minor 7, A, B. That's all. Simple. After the bridge, once you hit the climax, you're gonna start strumming your guitar heavily, aggressively. So there you have it, how to loop Ed Sheeran's Shape of You tutorial. Let me know what else should I do for you guys. I would like to do more songs because I actually loop every night. If you like what I do, please feel free to subscribe to me, and of course, give this video a like. If you want to be notified, please click the bell, and I'll see you next time.